Peppa's just got a big round face. Let's find the middle of our page, and then we can go from there. Go around, big circle up. That's right. And come out, just like a C that continues backwards. There we go. And from there, we can join that up, and that'll be the bottom of our chin. That looks good. And from there, we can continue our snout. And then we will connect the snout. Little semicircle there. This is looking good. And that will be the remain of the snout on the outside, and we can draw nostrils. 2 little circles for nostrils. And how about our ears? Now we can draw the ears. 1 and 2. Looking good. And now from here, we can go and make our mouth. Big smile for Peppa. I like that. And let's make sure we give it enough room for color. This is looking good. And now our eyes. Big circles for our eyes. 1 and 2. You can almost place them right under the ears. And a little bit of a pupil for Peppa on each eye. No highlight on this one, but we will make an outline. So continue our circle around, and we will continue that all around for our second eye as well. Now that looks good. And a little round circle for our cheek. This is Peppa the Pig, and she's looking fantastic. 1 big line down, 1 big line across. And now we will make a big arm here. 1 line, there's a shoulder, and another line. And Peppa's just got 3 little fingers here. 1, 2, 3, there we go. And now that we've drawn in the arm, we can draw in another arm on this side. 1, 2, and again 3 fingers. 1, 2, and 3. Lovely. Now let's continue our dress down, but don't go through the arm. Perfect. That's what I like to see. And from here, we can make our tail. Squiggly, wiggly, piggy tail. Round we go. Semicircle with an outline. It's looking good. Just be careful not to cross over all those lines there. And now we can draw our legs. 1, 2. 1, 2. And our feet. Very simple feet for Peppa. There we go. Lovely. And the second foot. Perfect. Cap off the shoes. There we go. Looking good. Now just outline our dress, and we'll color that in a very short moment. Looking good. Looking good. Now let's outline our ears. 1 and 2. And we should also outline our face. So start at the nose. There we go. And outside. And then we can go around the entire face. Just following the lines we already have. And now this is looking even better. And just for giggles, we'll make an outline on the outside of the nose. Perfect. Now for color. Pink for her skin. Dark pink outline for her cheek. Red outline on the dress and mouth. A light red dress. and black shoes to top it off. Perfect.